Hi everyone, my name is Leslie and today I'm going to be demonstrating a combustion reaction known as the Whoosh Bottle. I'm going to be using a 3-gallon plastic jug as well as trimethyl borate. I'm going to begin by pouring some of the trimethyl borate into the jug and then moving it around so that the trimethyl borate evaporates and coats the inside of the jug. Trimethyl borate is a volatile substance, which means that it evaporates pretty easily. And as it evaporates, it's going to mix with the air that's already in the jug, making the contents of the jug very flammable. I'm going to pour out the excess liquid that's in the jug and then continue to move it around just to make sure that everything inside is well mixed and completely evaporated. After I finish doing that, I'm going to take a lighter and spark it by the opening of the jug. And what this is going to do is it's going to provide enough activation energy in order for the mixture inside the jug to combust. And when that happens, we're going to see a very distinct green flame erupt from the jug. And that is because when trimethyl borate burns, it produces a green flame. We'll also hear a very loud sound produced by the combustion reaction. That's what's called the whoosh.